guys, it's me Jade. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. How is everyone doing? How are you guys feeling? I know there's a lot going on right now. I just wanted to start off today's video by just saying I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and staying positive. I know for myself, I've also been doing a lot of shopping, so I guess I am someone who has participated in some retail therapy over the past, I don't know how long we've been social distancing quarantining for. So I figured I would show you guys what I've been purchasing lately because I do have some stuff. In my last video, I showed you guys my Sephora VIB sale recommendations and wish list. So those are products that I've used before, that I know work, and my wish list were of the products that I have yet to purchase. Now, in today's video, these are products that are fairly new. Some products I've opened up, some products I haven't even touched yet. So I figured I would just share with you guys what I've purchased. Now, before we jump into the products, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the products that I've purchased. But yeah, let's get into it. So let's start with the skincare first. The first product I picked up is a new sunscreen. This is the Shiseido, what's the actual name? Ultra Sun Protection Lotion. This is the 50+ wet force for sensitive skin and for children. So I have very sensitive acne prone skin, and I did try a sample of this back when the stores were open, and it didn't cause any reactions, and I like the way it felt. It's very lightweight. I can wear this underneath my makeup, and it felt really nice. I don't know who needs to hear this, but wear your sunscreen, please. So many people think that like, oh, you only need to wear sunscreen in the summer when you're out in the sun. That's all a myth. You need to be wearing sunscreen every single day. Whether it's cloudy or sunny out, the UV rays are there and they are penetrating your skin. If you're not wearing sunscreen, you are getting sun damage. Number one cause of premature aging is sun damage. So it's super, super important that you find a really good sunscreen that works for you. Sunscreen. Get some. My last two skincare products are going to be these guys. These are the new Sephora multi-purpose oils. So these were on sale the other day and I picked both of them up. I'm really meaning to get my hands on these and I can't pass up a good sale. There's 3 oils available. I'll link these ones down below. So these are multi-purpose oils. So you're supposed to be able to use them on your face, body, and hair. Now, if you watched my last video, my VIB sale recommendations, you know my holy grail hair oil is the Moroccan oil one. I purchased these more so for body. So when I get out of the shower, I love to use body oils to hydrate as opposed to lotions. I've been doing that for the past like 3-4 years now, and I find like a huge difference. I'm excited to try these out, and they're super inexpensive. So I figured these guys, gotta get my hands on them. Okay, so now jumping into the makeup. I got a bunch of stuff. The first item I got on sale was the Fenty Beauty. This is their holiday collection highlighting palette. I actually got this a while ago. It's not super new, but I figured I'd just throw it into the haul. I mainly got this for my freelance kit. They're really pretty colors. They're really beautiful on the eye, body, face, everything. And what I love about these is that it's really easy to depot them, so I can put them into a Z palette for my freelance kit. 2.8 grams each, and you get 7. So beautiful. The next product I got is another palette that isn't new, but it was on sale. ABH times Jackie Aina palette. This palette first came out, I was super tempted to buy it, but I was just kind of like, no, I don't want to pay. I think it was like $60 Canadian at the time, but it went on sale. If you subscribe to my channel, shameless plug, you'll start to notice a recurring pattern. As soon as something goes on sale, I'm very, very, very likely to purchase. This palette is super pretty. I love ABH shadow formulation. It's just one of my favorites. And I also love the size of this palette because it's really good for traveling. And because you get a mix of like your neutrals and then your pops of color, I feel like this is a really good palette to travel with. I'm super excited about this guy, and I got it on sale, so. Another product that I got that isn't new, but again, it was on sale. Do you see a recurring theme here? It's this guy. It's the Sephora Pro face palettes. When I first saw these, I was like, oh my God, these are gorgeous. But I was like, I have so many face palettes already. Like, I really don't need another. Well, this bad boy went on sale. They have 3 shades available. They have a light, medium, and deep. So I picked up the deep one, again, more so for my freelance kit because I already have a ton of face palettes for myself. This is what it looks like. They are the most gorgeous shades. And these are massive. So just to give you guys a point of reference, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, which is normally like $40-something, you get 10 grams of product. Here you get 8 shades that are 7 grams each. So for the value, it was amazing, especially when it was on sale. It was so cheap. You get your matte contour shades, you get blushes that have different finishes, and then you get your highlight shade. So this is gonna be such a great add for my freelance kit for those deeper complexions. I would highly, highly recommend checking these ones out. Last palette. I have the original Jaclyn Hill. I have the Vault collection. So they announced the volume 2. I was like, okay, like I probably don't need it. But when I saw the palette in person in store, I was like, oh bitch. It's like, I need to get this. Say what you want about Jaclyn Hill. At the end of the day, I'm gonna buy product if I want to use it on myself. So all I can say is that this is a beautiful palette. Your top 2 rows are much more of your neutral shades, and just like, they're just so bright and vibrant. It's just stunning. I had to pick it up, add it to my collection. I ordered the Jackie Aina first. If you look at these, you're probably like, Jade, they look kind of similar. Well, they are. This is much more vibrant. The way I would distinguish between the two is this will be really good for traveling because it comes with a mirror in it. You kind of get a few pops of color. The problem I have with the Jaclyn Hill palettes is that I don't like traveling with them because they're massive. So this is much more of like the artistry palette that I would play with at home for videos, for work, for my Instagram like looks that I want to create. But realistically, this would be a palette that I would travel with. So that's how I'm justifying having both, okay? So the last 2 products I picked up are pretty straightforward. New lash glue and then a lash applicator. Just standard Sephora Collection lash glue. It's really great product for the price point. You can't go wrong. Just like a white glue that dries clear. Needed to pick one up, so that's that. And then a lash applicator. This is actually for my kit. I do love using this little lash tool from Sephora Collection on my clients. It just makes the application way easier. So yeah, these 2 I just picked up just because. I lied. Those weren't my last 2 products. I actually have... Yeah, I bought a bunch of lashes. So I know what you guys are thinking, Jade, you have two sets of eyes. No, you have 1 pair of eyes. You have 2 eyeballs. Why do you need so many lashes? Well, these were on sale, okay? Again, sale. Every time something's on sale, I just feel the need to buy it, okay? It's really bad. I have a problem, I know. I picked up a bunch of Fringe lashes. Sephora Collection Fringe are so pretty. I recommend these to clients that want a really kind of like fluffy, natural, but still impactful lash, if you know what I mean. These are on sale for like super cheap, so I picked up a few for myself and also for my freelance kit, just because it's like a really good like standard lash that works on almost everyone. So I picked up a bunch of those, and then the 2 other styles I ended up picking up, they are the House of Lashes times Sephora Collection collab, I guess you could say. So the first one I picked up is the Yvette and then the Cecile. So they look like this. So the Yvette one's like a light volume lash. Here you're gonna see they're gonna give you a lot more length than the Fringe lashes will, but they're much like thinner, so you'll be able to see through them more. So if you really want to showcase eyeshadow, or if you're someone that doesn't wear lashes a lot but you just want to give more length than volume, these are really pretty. Whereas the Cecile lashes, these are going to give you length and volume. As you can see, they're much more of a dramatic lash, a little bit fuller. When I'm looking at these like this way, there's 2 layers of lashes like stacked, so they're going to give you that more like 3D effect. These 2 are on sale, so I picked 2 of those up. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my little Sephora haul. Let me know if you guys have been doing some retail therapy. I know I have, clearly. Let me know what you guys have been doing during this whole quarantine social distancing thing. Have you guys been binge watching Tiger King? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. So have a great rest of your day, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.